So after having the introduction to globe, to latitude, to the parallels of latitude and heat zones, now we will move on to the next set of imaginary lines known as longitude. So longitudes are also known as meridians, and it runs from north to south direction. We have read that latitude measures from east to west direction. Next, they are farthest away from the equator at the poles, and they cut or meet the equators at right angles, that is at 90 degrees. They lie on a plane and passes through the Earth's axis, and all the longitudes are equal in length, as we have read in latitude that it gets smaller and smaller as it reaches towards pole, but the longitude always have equal length, and each longitudes are half of the great circles. So this line of references of longitude are known as meridians. So meridians of longitude measures the distances, and they are measured in the degrees, and they are known as degrees of longitude. Next, we come to prime meridian. Have you ever heard GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, IST, Indian Standard Time? Let me give you one more example. We have all heard that USA is running behind us from 12 hours. So why do we have this time differences? It is because the prime meridian. Now what is a prime meridian? This prime meridian is actually divided onto degrees, and this degrees is further divided onto minutes and seconds. The distance between each prime meridian decreases onto polewards. As you can see, onto the pole, you can see all the lines are meeting each other. But all throughout maybe they are having equal length, but onto the pole they are all joining each other. So all countries decides that they have to follow a standard time. So how they follow? That all countries, they came together and decided that the counting of time should start from Greenwich Mean Time. That's a place in London, and where we have the British Royal Observatory, and the line passes on through it is known as prime meridian. So now prime meridian divides Earth into two equal halves, and it is also 0 degree. It is 0 degree running from north to south, and this passes through a community known as Greenwich